Intelligence is a multifaceted and complex concept that encompasses a range of cognitive abilities and characteristics. Generally, intelligence can be defined as the capacity to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. It involves several key components. 1. Cognitive abilities. Reasoning. The ability to logically think through problems and make sound decisions. Problem solving. The capability to identify problems and come up with effective solutions. Learning. The capacity to understand, retain, and apply new information or experiences. Memory. The ability to store and recall information. Adaptability. The ability to adjust to new situations and environments. 2. Emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. Recognizing one's own emotions and their effects. Self-regulation, managing one's emotions in healthy ways. Motivation, the drive to achieve goals and maintain a positive outlook. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Social skills, navigating social complexities and building positive relationships. 3. Creative intelligence, innovation, the ability to think outside the box and come up with novel ideas. Imagination, the power to envision possibilities beyond current realities. Artistic skills, the talent to create and appreciate artistic expressions. 4. Practical intelligence, common sense, the ability to handle everyday tasks and challenges efficiently. Street smarts, the know-how to navigate real-world situations. Technical skills, proficiency in specific technical tasks and understanding how things work. 5. Multiple intelligences theory, Howard Gardner. Linguistic, skill in using language, logical mathematical, ability in mathematical reasoning and logical thinking. Spatial, skill in visualizing and manipulating objects. Musical, talent in rhythm, sound, and music. Bodily kinesthetic, ability in physical coordination and using the body skillfully. Interpersonal, skill in interacting with others. Intrapersonal, insight into oneself. And naturalistic, understanding of nature and natural phenomena. Intelligence is often measured through various IQ tests and assessments, although these tools primarily focus on specific cognitive abilities and may not capture the full breadth of human intelligence. The understanding and measurement of intelligence continue to evolve, considering its diverse and dynamic nature. Here are some common myths about intelligence debunked. Myth: intelligence is fixed and cannot be changed. Fact: while genetics do play a role in intelligence, environmental factors, education, and life experiences also significantly impact cognitive abilities. Brain plasticity allows individuals to improve their intelligence through learning and mental exercises throughout their lives. Myth: IQ tests measure all aspects of intelligence. Fact: IQ tests primarily measure specific cognitive abilities, such as logical reasoning, mathematical skills, and linguistic ability. They do not account for other forms of intelligence, such as emotional, creative, practical, and social intelligence. Myth: people are either left-brained or right-brained, determining their intelligence type. Fact: the idea that people predominantly use one hemisphere of their brain over the other, influencing their cognitive abilities and personality, is a myth. Both hemispheres of the brain work together, and cognitive abilities are distributed across various regions of the brain. Myth: high intelligence guarantees success. Fact: while high intelligence can be an advantage, success in life is influenced by many factors, including emotional intelligence, perseverance, social skills, opportunities, and sometimes even luck. High intelligence alone does not guarantee success. Myth: intelligence declines rapidly with age. Fact: while certain cognitive processes may slow down with age, many aspects of intelligence, such as vocabulary, knowledge, and experience, can remain stable or even improve. Engaging in lifelong learning and mental activities can help maintain cognitive function. Myth: Men are naturally more intelligent than women. Fact: there is no scientific basis for gender differences in overall intelligence. Men and women may have different cognitive strengths on average, but these differences do not imply superiority in overall intelligence. Myth: only people with high IQs can be creative. Fact: creativity is a distinct cognitive ability that is not necessarily linked to high IQ. Many individuals with average intelligence exhibit extraordinary creativity. Creativity involves divergent thinking, which can be independent of traditional measures of intelligence. Myth: intelligence can be accurately judged by academic performance. Fact: academic performance is influenced by various factors, including motivation, teaching quality, and personal circumstances. Some highly intelligent individuals may not perform well academically due to issues like learning disabilities, lack of interest, or nonconformity to standard educational systems. Myth: introverts are more intelligent than extroverts. Fact: intelligence is not determined by personality type. Both introverts and extroverts can be equally intelligent, though they may approach problems and express their intelligence differently. Myth: intelligence is inherited solely from the mother. Fact: intelligence is influenced by a complex interplay of genetic factors inherited from both parents, as well as environmental factors. It is not solely determined by maternal genes. Myth: people with autism have lower intelligence. Fact: autism is a spectrum disorder, and individuals with autism can have a wide range of intellectual abilities. Some people with autism have average or above average intelligence, and some may have exceptional abilities in specific areas. Myth: multitasking is a sign of high intelligence. Fact: multitasking can actually reduce the efficiency and quality of work. Intelligent individuals often recognize the importance of focusing on one task at a time to achieve better results. Myth: brain size correlates directly with intelligence. Fact: brain size is not a reliable indicator of intelligence. Many factors, including the complexity of neural connections and the efficiency of brain networks, contribute to cognitive abilities. Myth: only certain races or ethnicities are more intelligent than others. Fact: there is no scientific evidence supporting the idea that intelligence varies by race or ethnicity. Intelligence is a complex trait influenced by genetics, environment, culture, and individual experiences. Debunking these myths helps promote a more nuanced and accurate understanding of intelligence, recognizing its complexity and the many factors that contribute to cognitive abilities. The growth mindset versus fixed mindset theory, developed by psychologist Carol Dweck, provides a framework for understanding how individuals perceive their abilities and approach challenges. This theory has significant implications for personal development, education, and overall success. Fixed mindset. Individuals with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities, intelligence, and talents are static traits that cannot be significantly changed. They tend to think that these attributes are innate and set in stone from birth. Here are some characteristics and behaviors associated with a fixed mindset. Avoid challenges. People with a fixed mindset often avoid challenges because they fear failure or believe that struggling with something means they lack the inherent ability. Give up easily. They may give up easily when faced with obstacles, assuming that if they encounter difficulty, it's because they aren't good enough. Ignore. Feedback. Feedback and criticism are often seen as personal attacks rather than opportunities for growth. These individuals may ignore or reject constructive feedback. Feel threatened by others' success. The success of others can be threatening, as it may make them feel inferior or inadequate. Growth mindset. Individuals with a growth mindset believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and perseverance. They see challenges as opportunities to grow and improve. Here are some characteristics and behaviors associated with a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. People with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, viewing them as opportunities to learn and grow. Persist through obstacles. They persist in the face of setbacks, understanding that effort and perseverance are key to overcoming difficulties. Value effort. Effort is seen as a crucial component of mastery and success. They believe that hard work and dedication can lead to improvement. Learn from criticism. Constructive feedback is valued and used as a tool for learning and development. They seek out feedback to help them improve. Find inspiration in others' success. The success of others is seen as a source of inspiration and a model to learn from, rather than a threat. Implications of the theory. The growth mindset versus fixed mindset theory has wide-ranging implications for various areas of life. Education. Encouraging a growth mindset in students can lead to increased motivation, resilience, and a love of learning. It helps students see effort as a path to mastery and view challenges as opportunities to improve. Workplace. In the workplace, fostering a growth mindset can lead to greater innovation, collaboration, and problem-solving. Employees who believe in their ability to grow are more likely to take on new challenges and develop their skills. Personal development. On a personal level, adopting a growth mindset can lead to greater self-improvement, resilience, and overall well-being. It encourages individuals to see their potential as something that can be cultivated over time. How to cultivate a growth mindset. 1. Embrace challenges. Instead of avoiding difficult tasks, tackle them head-on and view them as learning experiences. 2. Learn from criticism. Use feedback to identify areas for improvement and take actionable steps to grow. 3. Celebrate effort. Focus on the effort put into tasks rather than just the outcome. Recognize that effort leads to improvement. 4. Persevere. Through setbacks. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of the learning process and persist despite difficulties. 5. Encourage a love of learning. Stay curious and seek out new knowledge and experiences continuously. By shifting from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, individuals can unlock their potential and achieve greater success in various aspects of life. Here are some inspiring stories of famous individuals who exemplified a growth mindset. 1. Thomas Edison. Background. Thomas Edison, one of history's greatest inventors, is best known for inventing the light bulb, but he faced numerous failures and setbacks in his career. Growth mindset in action. Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His ability to see failures as learning opportunities and to persist through countless experiments exemplifies a growth mindset. Instead of being discouraged by his failures, Edison viewed them as necessary steps toward achieving success. 2. J.K. Rowling background. Before achieving success with the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections from publishers and struggled with financial hardship. Growth mindset in action. Despite these challenges, Rowling persisted in her writing and continued to improve her work. She has spoken about the importance of perseverance and the value of failure, stating, "Failure meant a stripping away of the inessential. I stopped pretending to myself that I was anything other than what I was, and began to direct all my energy into finishing the only work that mattered to me." 3. Michael Jordan. Background. Widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time, Michael Jordan's journey to success was not without its obstacles. He was famously cut from his high school basketball team. Growth mindset in action. Instead of giving up, Jordan used this setback as motivation to work harder and improve his skills. He has often spoken about the importance of failure in his career, saying, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. 4. Albert Einstein. Background. Albert Einstein, one of the most influential physicists in history, did not show early signs of brilliance. He had delayed speech and was considered a slow learner by some of his teachers. Growth mindset. In action. Despite these early challenges, Einstein developed a deep curiosity and passion for learning, particularly in mathematics and physics. He continuously challenged existing theories and persisted in his research, ultimately revolutionizing our understanding of space, time, and energy with his theory of relativity. Einstein famously said, "It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer." 5. Oprah Winfrey background. Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty and faced numerous personal and professional challenges, including being fired from her first television job. Growth mindset in action. Instead of being deterred by her difficult start, Winfrey used her experiences to fuel her drive and resilience. She transformed her setbacks into opportunities for growth and eventually became a successful television host, producer, and philanthropist. Winfrey has often emphasized the importance of perseverance and learning from failure, stating, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." 6. Walt Disney. Background. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper job early in his career because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. He also faced financial difficulties and experienced several business failures before achieving success. Growth mindset in action. Disney's perseverance and belief in his vision led to the creation of one of the most influential entertainment companies in the world. His ability to learn from failures and continuously innovate exemplifies a growth mindset. Disney once said, "All the adversity I've had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles, have strengthened me." You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you. These stories demonstrate how a growth mindset can transform setbacks into stepping stones for success. Watch out for Episode 2.